What's better, liquid fertilizer or granular? It all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. I'm Dwayne Smith, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about fertilizer. Okay, both liquid and granular fertilizers have their place. They just do different jobs. First up, liquid fertilizer. Liquid fertilizer is mixed with water and applied with a sprayer or hose-in applicator or even through your irrigation system. And the biggest advantage, speed. This stuff goes to work fast. Plants can absorb it through the soil and through their leaves, which means you can see results quickly, often in just a few days. That makes it perfect for quick green-ups, fixing nutrient deficiencies, and mid-season feeding when your lawn needs a boost. Now, most of what we carry at Sprinkler Warehouse is actually water-soluble fertilizer. That means it dissolves completely in water, no chunks and no clogging, and it's perfect for sprayers, hose-in applications, and especially fertigation systems. We'll talk more about that in a second. So what are the downsides of liquid fertilizer? Well, it doesn't last as long. You're typically reapplying every couple of weeks, and if you go too heavy, you can burn your lawn. So yeah, fast and effective, but a little higher maintenance. Now, granular fertilizer. Granular is the slow and steady option. These are solid pellets you spread out over your lawn. Once you water them in, they break down over time and feed your plants gradually, usually over 6 or 8 weeks. This is great for long-term feeding, building soil health, fewer applications overall. It's kind of a set it and forget it approach, but you're not getting instant results here. While liquid can show results within 1 to 2 days, granular is more like 1 to 2 weeks. And if your spreader game isn't on point, you can end up with streaks or patchy growth. I've done that. I could tell exactly where I was walking with the spreader. So here's the simple breakdown. Liquid equals fast, responsive, and precise. Granular equals slow, steady, and long-lasting. Now let's talk about fertigation because this is where things get really interesting. Fertigation is fertilizing while watering. Instead of dragging out the sprayer or spreader, your system does the work for you. Every time it runs, it injects a small, consistent amount of fertilizer into the water. That means super even coverage, no missed spots, and no extra work. And remember that water-soluble fertilizer we talked about? That's exactly what you use in fertigation systems. It mixes clean, flows through the system, and gets right to the root zone, right where the plants actually need it. You can fertilize a little bit every time you water. We carry several fertigation systems at Sprinkler Warehouse, from simple tank systems to more dialed-in setups, including Easy Flow and Sprinkler Magician. It's one of those upgrades where once you have it, you don't really want to go back. So what should you do? If you want quick results, go liquid. If you want something that feeds your lawn over time, go granular. If you want convenience and consistency, start looking at fertigation. Be sure to check out our selection of fertilizers and fertigation systems at sprinklerwarehouse.com, America's most shopped sprinkler store.